Hi, this is Mrs. Clark with some multi-digit multiplication. The algorithm we are using is partial products. Partial products just means that you're taking each number and splitting it into parts, and then you're just going to multiply the parts because that's a lot easier than doing everything all at once. So the thing to remember is that each number is a team. So the 83 is one team versus the 26, which is another team. Team members are never going to fight against each other. So the 8 and the 3 came together and they are not going to fight each other, but they will multiply against the 2 and against the 6. But they'll never go against each other. Step 1 is to take your first number and put it in expanded form here along the top. The 8 is really an 80. And the 3 is a 3. This is how you write 83 in expanded form. 80 plus 3. And then we'll take our other number and put it in expanded form along the bottom. So orange, red. So the 2 is a 20. The 6 is a 6. This is how you write 26 in expanded form. 20 plus 6. Now we're going to multiply. And I like to start here, and if you get stuck, you can use these color codes to help you that we do orange, green. So this is 80 times 20. So we're going to start with the 80, and we're going to multiply the 80 by the 20, and then the 80 by the 6, and then we'll actually be done with it. So it just has to go against both members of the other team, and then it's done. So again, 80 times 20, and then we'll do 80 times 6, and then we'll be finished with the 80. So for 80 times 20, we're going to forget about the zeros. There's 2 of them there. Just pretend they're not there. And do 8 times 2. So what do you get when you do 8 times 2? 16. And then you're going to put 1, 2 zeros back in. Okay, so we did that first one. Now we're going to do 80 times 6 because we did 80 times 2 already, and we just have to do the other one. 80 times 6. Again, forget about that 0. Pretend it's not there. 8 times 6. 8 times 6 is 48. And then we just stick a 0 on the end. So we are finished with the 80 now. It came and it multiplied against both members of the other team. And now it's done. And now it's time for the 3 to do the same thing. So forget about the 80, it's all done. And now we just do the same thing with the 3. 3 times 2, or 3 times 20, I should say. And then 3 times 6. So let's go ahead and do this one. 3 times 20, you'll do 3 times 2 and then add a 0. 3 times 2 is 6, so 3 times 20 is 60. And then we'll do 3 times 6, which is 18. All right, so basically we've done all the parts. So we did 80 times 20 here, so that was 80 times 20. Then we did 80 times 6 here. Then we did 3 times 20 and 3 times 6. So the 80 went first against each one and then the 3 against each one. Last step, of course, is to add them all together, starting on the right. 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 8. 8 plus 6 plus 1 is 15, and carry this 1. 6 plus 4 is 10, plus 1 is 11, so we will carry this 1. And 1 plus 1 is 2, and we got 2,158. So that's how we use the partial products. Remember, you're just splitting the big numbers up into expanded form, and then you're multiplying the parts. So I hope this is helpful. Watch the rest of the videos if you want to keep practicing, and you can click in the description if you want to get the worksheets for partial products. Have a great day.